Joshua, we're in front of this WNT vending solution here. Just talk us through, for those that don't use this type of system, what the advantages are to using tool vends like this.
Well, the main advantage to using a vendor like this is we have the book on the side with all the tips, so we can find them very easily. It's not like we're searching through drawers to find different tips. We can find them, what grades, what different steels and what they're used for, speeds and feeds, all on the vendor itself without searching around.
So technically it can advise you what the best insert for the job is as well, if you didn't have that knowledge.
Yeah, obviously if you were doing a new job and maybe a different material, it's all in there to advise you on where to start with it.
One of the biggest problems I used to encounter in the machine shop was a machine would stop, you'd go looking for an insert. One, that takes time, but secondly, if you can't find one and you've run out, you've got to ring up the tooling supplier and wait for them to deliver it. Does that ever happen here?
No, we've never had a problem like that with the WMT. They come out weekly, a minimum to fill it up and check the stock on it, and it's overstocked if anything, which is always better for us.
But I mean that as a general process. You don't, when you run out of a cutting tool, you've got that one here because they, I suppose, have measured what you've used and then replenished it. Is that how it operates?
Yeah, like I say, they're out weekly and they will check what's in there, and they will replenish obviously what we've used and count it up, and they'll also put new tips in there if we need to.
And what's the advantage? I mean, I know tool vend's important, but what about WNT's carbide tooling in itself? You use it here a lot in your machine shop. You've experimented with various different brands. You say this is probably the best. Would that be right?
Yeah, definitely. I say we've used a few different brands, and we started using WMT about a year ago, and we've only bought more tips, if anything, because their tips seem to be the best.
In what respect though? Less tool wear, last longer, lower cost? These are all factors.
The speeds and feeds we've upped dramatically, which obviously lowers the time it takes to make a single part on a job. And the tool wear itself is, we can up the speeds and feeds and get more tool life out of it, which is obviously a win-win all around.
They're based here in Sheffield as well, so I suppose, or just down the road in Sheffield. Are they good technically to support you, the guys coming in, making sure that you are using the right insert or the right tool for the right job?
Yeah, they come in and they advise us on what we will need and what to be using. They're not just here to sell us anything they can, sort of thing. They want to sell us the right product.
So they've got technical expertise. Does that lend itself then, they'll stand in front of a machine with you and go, actually, you can up that, you can lower that feed, you can change it to this insert and get that part off quicker? Are those the types of scenarios that happen?
Yeah, that's exactly what happens. Yeah, the machinist, or there was a machinist herself, so they'll stand in front and they'll look at the swarf and the product and the tip we're using, and they'll advise us what they would do for the job.